Hi guys, welcome to today's Crafting with Julie. Today we're going to be doing our little bird nest. So hopefully you picked up your kit. So our little nest actually is going to be our coffee filters. So that's pretty simple. And then in your kit you will have some brown paper, which I just take and do little strips. Just cut out a whole bunch of the thing all in strips. You just keep cutting the strips until you're through that. I've already heard the birds out. They're chirping away. I'm sure the nests have eggs in them probably pretty quickly, if not already. All right, so I've just cut it into strips like this. Then I'm just going to take it and just roll them in my hands. Kind of messy looking. I've already cut up some of these, so. And then I just put them in my nest like they're little bedding. Like so. In your package, you'll have your little pom-poms and feathers. So you will want to take your little feathers and glue them to your little pom-poms. I'll just use the glue gun for this. Attach little feathers on there, like so. I have a few little birds to go in mine, and so I'm just going to glue all the feathers on. May have to cut them, they might be pretty long. Feathers are so messy. Just put the glue at the back and attach the feathers on. And this one. All right, so then they'll just look like this. And you will have orange in there, so you will want to make them their little beaks. And actually, baby birds have quite big beaks. So, just cut out my little triangle beaks. I just folded it in half so it's easier. And you'll have your little eyes in there. So you'll want to attach your little eyes on your birds. We'll attach their little beaks on. And there we are. We have our little birds. Their mouths are open, ready for mom to feed them. So place them in their nest. My other little one. all of the kits had different amount of birds in them. It was a variety pack. So there's my other little baby. Now I will put my mama in there. And there it is, my mama. So I will just have to flip this slightly sideways. Hopefully I don't spill it all out. But there is my little bird family, nestled all in their little nest, waiting for worms. So that's it for today. There's our little baby bluebirds. And I will see you next week for another craft. Have a great week. Bye for now.